nakaka-video kasi ano eh, tawag dito. Nakikita si, ay hindi buti si Kuya umalis. O yung wala kasi ng panahon nila. Yung panahon natin kasi
Hindi pa yan. Makatamak ko yan. naiyak na din ako. Teka lang, nagtatawal pa ako ng size na Si Tito Mark. Bigay mo kay Tito Mark. Bigay mo kay Tito Mark.
Magandang hapon
Abot
po
mo kay
sa
Tito Mark.
lahat. Tayo po muna ay dumulog sa Panginoon
Ikaw kasi yung
sa panalangin.
Kay Tito Mark.
Dakilang Diyos at mapagpalang Ama, kami po ay lumalapit sa trono ng iyong biyaya.
Bulaga. Bulaga. Adobo. Baba ka, baba.
First time. First time.
Yay! Uy! Lo, Faith, matulog ka na.
Hey, nabangan ni Ate Sam.
Ay, sisa mo. Ay, sisa.
Dapat yung
Ladies
side.
and gentlemen, I'd like to announce you this evening, Mr. and Mrs.
Lo, si Lolo. Lolo.
What is the couple's favorite hobby? Ryan's is correct! Congratulations, my dear surprise! Congratulations! Our envelopes are available on the tables. You may write on the envelopes before you give or before you give your token of love for our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Cesar. We have here envelopes, ma'am, and pins. Last call to all those who want to pay their token of love and appreciation for our newlywed couple. You may do so by paying your token of love and appreciation for them on a string of love being held by our maid of honor and best man. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your time to show your love and appreciation for our newlywed couple, Mr. Mark and Mrs. Mike Casazar.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.